And liftoff of the space shuttle Endeavour with the first American element of the International Space Station, uniting our efforts in space to achieve our common goals.
Endeavour's rolling on a course heading northeast from the Kennedy Space Center toward a 240-mile-high rendezvous with the Zarya control module.
And just a beautiful shot of the ODS and Unity in the payload bay, where it's not going to be very much longer.
You have a go to install Unity.
Houston Endeavour. We've got Unity firmly attached to Endeavour, and we're off to a great start on building the International Space Station. But this is our goal. It's building a space station and set the stage for the future.
Endeavour Houston, Jerry, it looks like you're standing on a mountaintop.
Tremendous view, Chris.
The first astronauts aboard the International Space Station in orbit.
We are so pleased and excited and proud to be a part of the team that made this happen. And our special thanks to all the ISS folks, all their hard work. We remember when Unity was just an aluminum shell, and just thanks to everybody in the space station program for all their hard work.